Welcome all. Welcome to another session of Sustainable Engineering, course code MCN 201, Module 2. It's lecture 4. Myself Rahul NR, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sri Narayana Institute of Technology, Adur. Today in this lecture, we are going to discuss about some global environmental issues faced by us. What are the global environmental issues facing by human beings? The first one is resource degradation. Second one is climate change. Third is global warming. Fourth is ozone layer depletion. So these are the issues which human beings are facing in the environment, or due to these reasons the environment is suffering nowadays.
Greenhouse effect. You know that greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some amount of energy is reflected back to space, and rest of the portion of the energy is absorbed and re-radiated by greenhouse gases. The absorbed energy warms the atmosphere and surface of the Earth. Look onto the diagram now. So the diagram shows the greenhouse effect. You can see on the left hand side you have the sun. Some sunlight that hits the Earth is reflected, some becomes heat, and Earth is shown here. Carbon dioxide and other gases in the atmosphere trap the heat from the sun, keeping the Earth warm. So this effect is known as the greenhouse effect. Global warming. Global warming can be considered as immediate consequence of greenhouse gas effect. Global warming is also referred to as climate change and is the observed century scale rise in the average temperature of Earth's climate system and the related effects. Warming is greatest in the Arctic with the retreat of glaciers, permafrost and sea ice. And warming is expected to be greater over land than over the oceans. Look onto the diagram now. The diagram shows atmospheric carbon dioxide by year. On the x-axis it shows the year, and on the y-axis parts per million of the carbon dioxide. So when you look onto the graph shows in each year the amount of carbon dioxide, that is the quantities in parts per million, increases. So this diagram shows the atmospheric gas composition excluding water vapor. So here nitrogen constitutes 78% of the atmospheric gas composition, oxygen constitutes 21%, argon constitutes 1%, other gases 0.02%, and carbon dioxide constitutes 0.03%. In the case of global warming, it's documented historical warming of Earth's surface based on worldwide temperature records since 1880. Climate changes refers to changes caused by global warming in weather. Greenhouse effect is the rise in temperature because of certain gases. So the gases can be water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane. Apparent overall warming of Earth's atmosphere when the atmosphere becomes saturated with excess greenhouse effects. So the overall warming of Earth's surface is due to the saturation of greenhouse effect. Deforestation is responsible for 20 to 25 percentage of all carbon emissions entering the atmosphere. Deforestation can occur due to cutting of trees. Effects of global warming. It gives rise to increase in global surface temperature, melting of glaciers, rise in sea level, loss of biodiversity, spread of vector-borne diseases. So these vector-borne diseases are due to infections that can occur in humans as well as in animals. For example, dengue fever, malaria, etc. Other effects of global warming are extreme weather, acidification of oceans, forest fires, and reduction in crop yields. How to control the global warming? So, what we have studied previously, reduce, reuse, recycle principle can be followed. Encourage others to conserve energy. Use LED lamps. Promote renewable energy usage. Renewable sources of energy like solar energy, wind energy, etc. Remove subsidies for fossil fuels. Promote afforestation and reforestation programs. That is, we can plant trees. When we cut one tree, we should plant 2 trees. Consume locally grown foods. Climate change. Climate change also can occur as a result of global warming. Changes in wind, precipitation, the length of the seasons, as well as the strength and frequency of extreme weather events like droughts and floods. Ocean, atmosphere, and land factors. Examples are solar output, Earth Sun geometry, interstellar dust, volcanic emissions, mountain building, continental drift, atmosphere ocean heat exchange, and atmosphere chemistry. So this diagram shows an example for the climate change. On the left hand side, the land is heated too much, and on the right hand side we can see a greenish land. Causes of climate change and reasons. Climate change is caused by global warming. Global warming, we have already seen, is a combined result of emissions of greenhouse gases and changes in solar irradiance. What are the natural causes of climate change? Climate change includes any change resulting from different factors like deforestation or an increase in amount of greenhouse gases. So some of the examples of climate change: continental drift. 225 million years ago, Earth was single large landmass. Present Earth is a result of drift. Drift causes climate change. Position of rivers will be changed. Example: Himalayan range is rising by 1 millimeter every year. What is the reason? Indian landmass moving towards Asian landmass. Variations in solar output. Scientists predict that change in solar output 1% per century alter the temperature of Earth by 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius. Volcanoes of high magnitude can reduce the amount of solar radiation reaching the Earth's surface, lowering the temperature in lower levels of the atmosphere. Next, Earth tilt. Tilt from the Sun is the reason of seasons. 23.5 degree to the perpendicular plane of the orbital path. Effects of climate change: increase in global surface temperature, ocean acidification, melting of glaciers, change in pattern of rainfall, occurrence of droughts, floods, heat waves, rise in sea level, spread of vector-borne diseases, example malaria, dengue fever. Increase in global surface temperature resulted mostly from greenhouse gases, which is the result of human activity, fossil fuel burning and deforestation. Climate projections summarized in latest report that another increase of 1.1 to 3.5 degree in the 21st century. Ocean acidification: decrease in pH of the ocean. Reason is carbon dioxide emission. Makes ocean acidic. Result: it affects survival of aquatic life and it causes destruction of the aquatic life. Melting of glaciers. Glaciers are sources for fresh water. Glaciers absorb 20% of heat of the sun and reflects 80% back. Changes in rainfall pattern. It affects humans and ecosystems. The balance of ecosystem will be lost. Unusually, high rainfall is the effect of climate change. Occurrence of drought, heat waves, flood. Changes in temperature leads to extreme weather conditions. Rise in sea level caused by expansion of seawater as it warms up in response to the climatic change and the widespread melting of the ice. Greenland is an example. Ozone layer depletion. Ozone is excellent absorber of radiant energy from sun. Ozone is located at lower portion of atmosphere, that is stratosphere, 13 to 20 km range. Oxygen molecule O2 splits into two O's. O's combine with another O2 forms O3. Ozone absorbs radiant energy and stores as internal energy, which creates warmer temperature. Protects from ultraviolet radiation. Absorbs, that is, it transforms as heat released back to space. Now see the diagram. It shows the ozone layer. So ozone layer comes just below the stratosphere, that is 13 to 20 kilometer range. The solar radiation comes from the sun and it will hit on the ozone layer, and the ozone layer protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays. The bottom of the ozone layer lies the troposphere. So when depletion happens to ozone layer, the harmful ultraviolet rays reaches the earth and it will cause different diseases, skin cancer, and it will affect the crop yields, it will affect plants as well as the human health. Ozone layer was discovered in 1913 by French physicist Charles and Henry. Absorbs 95 to 97% of sun's high frequency harmful UV rays. UV rays are high energy electromagnetic waves. UVA, UVB, UVC. Ozone layer depletion, reduction in the amount of ozone. Ozone hole is a depression and not a hole. First observed in 1956 in Antarctica, 70% and Arctic 30%. Effects of ozone layer depletion. It causes skin cancer, increases ground level ozone. It will create breathing difficulties, affects the crop yields. Direct exposure to ultraviolet rays result in cataracts. It affects the eyes, affects development of larvae in many species. So the development of larvae into butterfly fails. So aging of the skin, affect time of flowering. Actions: use products ozone friendly, repair AC timely, promote awareness programs for protection of the ozone layer. In today's session, we have already discussed about greenhouse effect. We have discussed about global warming. Global warming is a result of greenhouse gases, large amount of greenhouse gases, and the global warming may create the problems like climatic change, and the climatic change can reflect the depletion of ozone layer. So, and harmful ultraviolet rays reaches the earth, and it will cause skin cancer, etc. So the ozone layer must be protected, the climate changes must be avoided. So we need to do the things in a more efficient manner. Hope you all have got a clear cut idea about these topics. Thank you.